Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I created this 3D pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop. So we'll begin by importing or bringing in our first image, which is the phone, and then we bring the second image. So what we'll do is to reduce the opacity. So we reduce the opacity to see how the image is going to be on the phone. So you see the image is set well. So what we'll do is bring back the opacity to 100. To do next is to duplicate the image by holding on Ctrl and G to duplicate the picture. We'll turn off the two image and select the background, which is the phone. We come to the selection tool here, panel here, and we will choose the magic wand tool, and we select the screen. Next, we bring our first image here, so you can see the selection. Now you select and hit on the max here. Now the first step is done. Now we've marked the first image. So what we'll do next is to bring the second image here. That make sure it is selected. Now let's go to the selection panel here. Now this time we are going to use the quick selection tool to select the picture or the subject. So we hit on select the subject here to wait for it to select the subject. Well, so now we can fix the selection. We can add some part of the selection. Yeah, so now the selection is done. So what we'll do next is make sure you're on the image that is selected, and also hit the max here. You see, you hit on max here to cut out the image. So you can see the image is cut out, and this is how the image look like after cutting out. So this is how you create this 3D pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Hope you've learned something. Please hit the notification bell to like and also share and give your reaction. Your comment are welcome. Thank you, so that we will also get recommended. Thanks for your support, and welcome to my channel, Manuel Tutorial.